لأجلك يا ربي نسعى.
Repel boredom with work. Those who have nothing to do with their lives are the same people who spend most of their time spreading rumors and falsehood, mainly because their minds are devoid of beneficial thoughts. As Allah says in the Holy Quran, رَضُوا بِأَن يَكُونُوا مَعَ الْخَوَالِفِ وَطُبِعَ عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ فَهُمْ لَا يَفْقَهُونَ. They are content to be with those who sit behind. Their hearts are sealed up, so they understand not. When you find yourself to be idle, prepare for depression and despair, because idleness allows your mind to wander in the past, the present and the future with all of their difficulties. Therefore, my sincere advice to you is to perform fruitful acts instead of being idle. For idleness is a slow and veiled form of suicide. A slow and veiled form of suicide. Idleness is like the slow torture that is inflicted upon prisoners in China. They are placed under a tap from which a drop of water falls only after every hour. During the period of waiting between drops, many of them lose their minds and are driven to insanity. Negligent of one's duties. Idleness is an expert thief and your mind is its victim. Therefore, get up now and say a prayer or read a book. Praise your Lord, study, write, organize your library, fix something in your house, or benefit others so that you can put an end to your inactivity. I say this only because I sincerely wish for your betterment.